Welcome to Code with Paper. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at something that Appwrite just announced. It's Appwrite Sites. It's the alternative to Vercel, and at the moment it's free up until the 1st of August to host your website. We're just going to walk through a step-by-step tutorial of using a GitHub repository that I have, a public one that I've used for making a portfolio website. And we're going to walk through the process of actually getting it hosted by Appwrite. So obviously the first thing to do is sign up to Appwrite, and I have that. I'm going to go to my console. I've got quite a few projects here. I'm actually going to just create a new project. I'm going to call it Portfolio. The closest region to me is Frankfurt. And now I'm going to go to Sites, Early Access, and Create Site. And I'm going to connect a repository. I'm going to connect to GitHub, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I've connected my GitHub repository, and I'm going to use the Astro Beginner Portfolio repository. I'm going to click Connect, and everything is correct. And I have no environment variables. Everything else is fine. Notice that my site is Astro, which is correct. It's done it automatically for me, and it's going to obviously run the relevant commands. I'm going to leave it as Astro Beginner Portfolio. But you could obviously change that here. And I want to click deploy. Alright, so it's going to build. Now this is a fresh install. If you want to know how we made this website, you can watch my Astro Beginner web series, Beginner Bytes web series. And we'll just watch this build. Build is finished. And just like that, we have a functioning website. And once it's all done, we can we can see our website is live. So we'll wait for all of that to finish. And in the meantime, one of the good reasons to actually do this with Appwrite is if in the future you decide to add a backend, maybe you have some kind of CMS where you want to add all your portfolio projects. You can use Appwrite Storage. You could add a section where people have to log in to access a different part of the site. It's all ready for you. So if we visit, there it is. This is the site we made with our YouTube tutorial. We made this using Markdown, Tailwind, and this was from a Figma file that was sent by a subscriber. So just like that, we were able to deploy a website, and it's actually fully functional. And that's with Appwrite Sites. So it's free. It took 1 minute and 2 seconds to build. And there you go. So please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, or if you want to know how to connect a database to this, etc. Just let me know. All right. Thank you.